Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can add a text in Davinci Resolve. So firstly open up your Davinci Resolve. Then just add a clip of your liking from your media pool. Then what you have to do is go to your effects panel and close the media pool for now. And then in the effects panel simply go on titles, and over there you will find all the titles and text presets you have in Davinci Resolve. So what you have to choose is this simple basic text. Just simply drag and drop onto the timeline. So as you can see, the text has appeared on the timeline. Now to edit the text, just simply click on text, then click on inspect over here, and over here you will have all the settings for the text like name, color, size, tracking, stroke, etc. So let me change the name. So as you can see, now I have written a text. Now you can change the color from over here. You can choose any color. Let's say for example, let's go with white. So then you can use any font of your liking over here. And down below you can also edit the size. Then down below you can also change the tracking and line spacing if there is, the font style, font case, so let me show you how you can use drop shadow on your text. So let's just simply zoom in for a better view. Now just increase the Y value. So as you can see, the drop shadow started appearing. Now you can change the direction from the x-axis. So you can decrease the blurriness to see the drop shadow more clearly. And then adjust it properly. You can change the color if you want to. Then just increase the blurriness. Increase the opacity. You can also add a background to it. Just by increasing the height bar, there will be a border, just like that. You can also add a stroke to your text from the strokes panel. So now let me change the color. Every one of you can see. And now if I increase the size, you can see the stroke. So that's all you can do with the normal text preset. But if you want to animate or rotate any text or make crazy animation with the text, you cannot do with this basic text. If you want to do that, what you have to do is just choose the custom text plus. Just simply drag and drop. Just simply drag and drop again. Then again add a text. And if you see closely, in the text option, you don't have all the options that you once had. But in this one, you will have multiple tabs over here, which can do a lot more than the basic text. So let me increase the size. And now if you go to the layout tab up here, you will have more options like rotation, background, and you can keyframe all of them. You can do rotation animation. You can do color changing animations. And in the transformation tab, you have more options. And in the shading tab, you can make multiple variants of the single text. So for example, for the first text, let's take it green or pink maybe. Then make it an outline. Then over here in the select element, you will have option to create 8 variants. So let me show you how to create another variant. Just simply click on the second, then click on enable over here. Now for this, just simply click on this appearance. Then change the color to white maybe. So this is the variant number 2. And for the third variant, just simply click on 3. Then again, after choosing the third one, simply click on enable. And for this one, I will choose a box. Change the color of the box to maybe red. Then after making the box, you can also animate that down below. like colors, softness, positions, etc. And if you want to get more creative with your text or animation, you can just simply go to Fusion over here, and then you can just simply go crazy with your text and animations. So that's how you can use text in Davinci Resolve. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.